welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Slack app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. Once you do that, go ahead and look for a search option. Now tap on the search bar and type in Slack app. Once you do that, tap on search, then select the Slack option with this specific icon. Now right beside that icon, you're gonna see get option or this backup like option, a download or install option. You have to select one of those four options, then your phone will start downloading the Slack app. And guys, that's it. That's how you download Slack app on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.